Mike Hughes here. I'm at the dive show, DEMA, and I'm here with Steve Zazulyk.
Yeah, that's pretty close.
Okay, good. Well, we'll do 5 more times till we get it right. But anyway, you have something to show us here.
Yeah, so it's my new book, Dive Detecting. So actually, Santa and I were at the last DEMA before COVID when my first book came out, the Ring Finder book. So, and this is my next one, Dive Detecting. So if you're a diver or you want to go in the water and find out about treasure hunting, this is the book for you. It'll tell you everything about detecting in the water.
So this time we've gone past rings and now we're getting into bracelets and chains and
treasure. That's because in every one of us there's an Indiana Jones, right?
I think so. I hope so.
So that's the idea of the book, is for people to be able to, you know, like not all of us can go on the Treasure Coast in Florida to do Spanish galleons.
Right.
But we all have water near our home, right? That we can just go down to a local beach or something like that with a detector and go find stuff. And
bathtub, whatever.
Yeah, I'll just show you, like, you know, I've been doing this for years now, and the types of things that you can find in the water, you know, you find rings like this, right? They're in every body of water. There's always stuff that people have lost. People have been losing stuff forever, and it's still there. You go in there with a detector and you'll find it.
Cool. And if they want information about your book, would they go Amazon or where?
Yeah, so you can go on Amazon and purchase the book, or you can go on Instagram onto Dive Detecting and you'll see me and all the stuff I find, and you'll learn how to do it.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.